So myself Ashish. Do you know my name? I am Ashish Chanana from Faridabad, Delhi, and I am a music teacher by profession. So let's start with the very beginning. We will learn how to play the keyboard with the right hand. Okay. You can see my hands playing the keyboard here, and you all can listen the keyboard itself. Okay. Fingers से keyboard बजाना है और दोनों hands के fingers को use करना है. So the very first lesson will be our finger rule. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the first finger will be this. This one is the first finger. हम इसको thumb नहीं बोलेंगे piano playing में. We will call it first finger only. ठीक है? We will not call it thumb. This is second finger. This is third finger. This is fourth finger, and this is fifth. So if someone says कि left hand का first finger है, तो you will raise your left hand first and you will show your first finger. Okay, and you can count it from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if someone says of right hand, you can count it for the right hand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Second rule. The second rule is to find the C note on the keyboard. Okay, how to find the C note on the keyboard? I know आराध्या ने अपने कीबोर्ड पे C D E F ऐसा कुछ लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है, बट हर जगह आप जब भी कीबोर्ड बजाने जाओगे इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपको वहां पे कीबोर्ड के नोट्स लिखे हुए पहले से अवेलेबल हों. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है ना? तो अगर आपको ऐसा नहीं मिलता है तो आप कैसे ढूंढेंगे कि कौन सा नोट कौन सा है ना? तो हमने नोट्स को अल्फाबेट्स के नेम्स दे रखे हैं, ठीक है. तो सबसे पहले आपको सी नोट ढूंढना आना चाहिए, क्योंकि सी स्केल इज द बेसिक स्केल जहां से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं कीबोर्ड की लर्निंग. तो सी नोट क्या होता है? सी नोट होता है टू ब्लैक कीज के जस्ट पहले वाला व्हाइट की. जस्ट लिसन टू मी आराध्या, आपके कीबोर्ड पे ब्लैक कीज भी होंगे और व्हाइट कीज भी होंगे, है ना? ठीक है. आपके जो ब्लैक कीज हैं वो 2 और 3 के पैटर्न में होंगे. 2 ब्लैक कीज का पेयर होगा, फिर 3 ब्लैक कीज का ग्रुप होगा, फिर 2 ब्लैक कीज का पेयर होगा, फिर 3 ब्लैक कीज का ग्रुप होगा. ठीक है. 2 3 2 3. इट इज on the whole keyboard like this only. Okay, so you have to select any of the pair of 2 black keys. जैसे मैं, like I have selected this one, I have selected this one. This is my pair of 2 black keys, and the white key just before the 2 black keys, the white key just before the 2 black keys is the C note. This note is the C note. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, let me show you differently. The white key just before the 2 black keys on the left side of these black keys is C note. There are 2 black keys, and the white key just before the 2 black keys is C note. Look what it's written here. White key just before the 2 black key is C note. You can see this is C note.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have moved forward to these 2 black keys. The note just before the 2 black keys is C again. It's written here, C.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then move forward to the keyboard. These are also 2 black keys, and the note just before these 2 black keys is C. Again, you can see. I have a keyboard with bigger keys and bigger keyboard, so I have many octaves there. So you can go more forward. So 2 black keys, just before 2 black keys, there is a note which is called C. You can see there. So I know that Thavnesh has no keyboard there, but Aradhya has a keyboard. I want Aradhya to play C note, every C note on your keyboard. You would be having 2 or 3 C's, so you have to play everyone. 2 minutes to learn the pattern of these notes. These notes are called C scale notes. C scale notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay. So if someone asks, okay, the notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So in C scale, we have some notes. They are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So now we will learn how to play the notes of C scale. With our finger rule and our C scale rule, we will learn how to play the notes of the C scale. The finger setting to play the C scale notes are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So look at the keyboard now. Everybody will look at the keyboard on the screen. I am playing C scale with my right hand by this rule only. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. You have to play it with your right hand and using the finger settings you were playing earlier. You are playing it perfectly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever we play C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C together, we call it increasing order of the C scale. What we call it? Increasing order of the C scale. And it sounds like we are going up on the stairs. Like C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. We are going up on the stairs. If we will sing this, we will sing it like Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And while singing, we will go upstairs. We will increase our volume every time we hit the note. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Every time we increase a note, we increase our voice to sing that. So we call it increasing order of the notes in the C scale. The notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and we are increasing them C to C dot. So we are increasing it to the higher pitch. So we call it increasing order. Whenever we decrease them, we call it decreasing order because the sound decreases itself. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. So I will tell you some interesting fact about these increasing and decreasing order. We can make our own tunes while practicing these orders. You all want to listen some funny music? Who want to listen some funny music?
Me, sir. Me, sir.
Very good. All of you want to listen some funny music, right? So I will create a funny music with these increasing orders only. You want to listen? You can listen like this is a funny beat, right? I have used a funny beat there. It is an Indian beat and it's very funny. Listen to this.
Sir?
Did, did you listen?
Sir? Yes.
हाँ बोलो. Yes, tell me.
Even I have that.
Yes, I know you have a good keyboard. I saw that.
But I have that. But a different one. Like that.
Yeah, I know the model is different, but you can play some beats in that also.
Can I show you?
Yes, you can. You should.
Can I show you it again?
Yes, show me. No, no, that's not the same beat. You are playing a pop beat. You are playing a rock beat. You are playing this one. I should tell you. We can play with this also. Okay, now I will show you different tones of the keyboard. Okay, so we are using a piano tone till now. This tone is of piano. This is piano. This is piano. Now I will show you organ. Okay, so we will play a game. Okay, we will play a game now. I will I will show you some tunes and you will tell me which tune I'm playing. Okay, okay. I will play some tunes here and you will tell which what was the tune for. Okay, the first tune I'm playing. All get yourself muted. Come on, mute कर लो सब अपने आप को. Yeah, nice. The first tune comes.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Oh, nice. You recognize the tune. That was very good. Now I
Yes,
will try some
sir.
different tune. Yes,
Sir,
tell me.
I know the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star tune.
Yes, that's very good. Now listen to the second
I'll
tune
tell you.
carefully. Get yourself muted. Come on. Mute yourself and listen to the second tune carefully.
Christmas song. Christmas song.
I know that this is a Christmas carol, but which carol you have to sing it?
Jingle bell.
Yes, the song is Jingle Bells. Dashing
Yes,
through the
sir.
snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what will we do? Laughing all the way. Have you listened this carol first?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
I, I was trying to do it, but I cannot do this one.
Okay. I will tell you. Whenever you will join the classes, I will let you do all these things. Don't
Sir,
worry.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I was trying it so many days. Can you show me training the dragon song in the keyboard?
Which dragon song? I don't listen any dragon song.
Training the dragon.
Training the Dragon. I'm so sorry, bacha. I don't know the song. If I would be listening to the song first, I will let you know. Whenever you will join the classes, I will let you do all these songs. Just you tell me the song. I can play that. I only can play those songs which I have heard. The song I had not heard, I can't play that song. I don't know the tune actually.
Can I sing it?
Yeah, you can sing.
It. I remember Ta 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 na 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 ta na 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 ta na 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 ta na 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 ta na 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 ta na 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 na.
So you are singing. You're playing it. You're singing it like this. Is this the tune? Is this the right tune?
Not the tune.
Yeah. So the tune would be right if I would listen that. I have not heard that song. I'm so sorry about that.
Can I show you?
How? Do you know how to play Dragon song?
No, I've not learned still keyboard.
Okay.
I just have to learn. Show you
Whenever
this.
you will whenever you will take a proper class, I will listen the song first, tell you the notes, then you can play the song. Okay? Don't worry. We will do the song.
But sir, I will send you in the WhatsApp.
Okay, you will send me. Okay. It's a bet. You send me. I will listen it first, then I will tell you the notes. Okay, Aradhya,
Okay.
and all of you who have a keyboard, I will tell you the simple song notes right now, and you can play that with yourself. Okay? So I am sharing my screen with you all. We all will play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay? And the students who don't have keyboard right now, you can use a different mobile phone if you are carrying, and can download a piano app in that. Okay?
Huh? Sir, I have the both of the things. I have both of the things.
No, no, you don't need that piano app. You have a keyboard. No, you don't need that. I am telling you, Thavanesh, do you have another phone with you?
Yes, sir.
You
Sir,
can use that phone, and you can download an app.
sir,
Perfect Piano is the name of the app. You can go on the Play Store or the Apple Store, wherever from you downloading. You can go for Perfect Piano app. Just
sir.
download that app. Yes, yes, yes. Tell me.
I will just download some piano app. My mom will delete it every
No,
time.
it's okay, but you don't need to download any app. You have a keyboard. You have a real keyboard. You have real piano with you. Why will you download an app for that? You have a good piano with you. You can play it on that, na? So I'm sharing a screen. I will tell you some notes. Okay? Okay, now you can see the C note is the first note of this scale, the white key just before the two black keys. You can see this is C note. Okay, the next note is D note, then comes E, then F, G, A, B, and then it repeats C again. You can see that C will repeat it again. Okay, so for playing it with right hand, you have a rule: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see there it is written.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, you just have to play these notes written in the red color. C, C, G, G, A, G. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Come on, try it yourself. C, C, G, G, A, G.
Sir,
The
I
next.
have a note. Sir, I have a problem. After of the world of, so I'm it's playing like this. Uh, G. After that, sir, I don't know. I have a note, sir.
You just have to play these notes what are written on the screen. Okay. The next line is F F E E D D C. F F E E D D C. Now the next line is G G F F E E D. G F F E E D. Come again. First line come again. C C G G A A G. So like this, we can play the whole song. Like we can play Twinkle Twinkle like this. E E E E E E G C D E. You can play it like that. E E E E E E E G C D E.
Sir, we cannot see you, sir.
Related to this point. Okay. How many of you can recognize this?
Sir, this I play in my guidance class.
This prayer is Teri hai Zameen. This is very good prayer. तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर. That's very good. Do you all enjoyed this session? Let us recall what we learned today. We have learned today the finger rule. The first rule I told you was the finger rule.
Sir,
One,
I want to
two,
say something.
yes,
So,
tell me.
so when we do this
Yes,
line, do we play 3 times or only 1 time?
we can play it 3 times to end this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We can play it like that only, and we can play it once also. Happy birthday to you. It will be completed there only. I think you all enjoyed this class. Just let me recall all the things what you have learned today, please. Yes, I want to sing a song for you all. Okay. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, bye everyone. I hope you
Bye,
will meet me
sir.
again. Bye. Good
Bye.
evening.
Bye,
All the
sir.
best for your life. Bye.